Hello everyone, this is Vasant, a ninepointer at IIT Bombay from the Department of Civil Engineering. Today we are going to start a new topic called thermal stress. So let us go ahead. If you, for suppose, if you take a bar with fixed support and with one free end, this is free end, right? So if you increase the temperature by delta T, then what will be will there be any stress developed in this rod? No, there will be zero stress, okay? But there will be strain, but non-zero strain. Okay, so this is the pain because if you change the temperature, then it will simply expand. Means if temperature is increased, then it will simply expand without any resistance, right? That expansion ka length is given by alpha del T into L. If temperature is increased, then it will expand. If temperature is decreased, it will contract, right? So without any resistance. But if you take two fixed supports, this one support, this is one support. Now if you increase the temperature by delta T on this system, then what will there be stress develop? Yes, because here there is no way to expand. Means these are restricted by these two fixed supports. So whatever may be the change in temperature, but these fixed support won't let it to expand, right? So because of that, when it's try to expand, so it will try to push this fixed support, due to which reactive force will develop. Because of that reactive force, internal forces will also develop, because of which stress will create, right? So in case of thermal stresses, thermal stress will be developed only in case of restraint. Means if it is constrained, means if it is constrained to not expand, then thermal stress will develop. So when restraint will happen, that will be happen in the generally in the case of indeterminate structures, right? See, this is determinate structure, this is indeterminate structure. So suppose if this fixed support is not there, then if you increase the temperature by delta T, then del T will be alpha into delta T into L, right? So but there is a fixed support because of which a reactive force will develop. Suppose that force is P. So what should this P is doing? This P is uh, doing contracting the rod by del T. How? See, finally del is zero, right? Without support B, we can say that superposition principle. We can apply superposition principle. We can say that this as this one with delta T plus this one with compressive force P. When it tries to expand, then fixed supports will try to compress it. So there will create a compressive stress. So it will be compressive reactive force, right? So these two, this delta T will be is equals to alpha del T L. This will create P into L in divided by EA, right? Plus this is del P. So we know that del is equals to del T plus del P. So this is 0. That means alpha del T L plus PL by EA, right? So PL by EA will be is equals to minus alpha del TL. Then P by A be equals to minus E alpha del T. So P by A, what is P by A? P by A will be equals to sigma, that is equals to minus E alpha del T. So this is compressive in this case, right? I won't say it as compressive. See, if delta T is positive, then rod will try to elongate, but net elongation should be 0. So the reactive force which is developed due to change in temperature will compress the rod, right? So it should be compressive, right? So if delta T is positive, okay, if delta T is positive, then compressive stress, right? Delta T negative, then tensile stress, right? So let us do one problem on this. So this is a rod. This is the rod with E comma A property. So this is a spring with K. These are two fixed supports. So see, you are changing the temperature of the system by del T, then it will try to expand by del P, right? That del T will be is equals to alpha delta T L. But this spring will oppose the system, but it will let some deformations to happen, but it will not let whole deformation to happen. Whole change in length is alpha delta T L, but whole change in length will not happen, but some portion of that will happen. So we can say like this. Uh, what is the net deformation? Net deformation is net del is compression in, if del, suppose let us assume it is positive, so compression in spring, that is x, okay. So net del net will be is equals to del T plus del K, right? What is del K? It is what del reactive force, I can say. So see, suppose the rod is here initially, right? Net elongation is this. This is of L plus X. Then the spring will apply the compressive force RC, that will be is equals to Kx, right? Kx is equals to RC. Then by equilibrium here also RA is equals to Kx, right? This is final. This is initial. So if you see actually, because of the change in temperature, the change in length is alpha del TL, and because of this compressive force, the change in length is minus kx into minus kx into L divided by A into A, right? This is the whole net deformation, that should be is equals to x, right? So x is equals to alpha delta TL minus kx L divided by AE, okay. So 1 plus KL divided by AE into x is equals to alpha delta TL. That will give rise to x is equals to alpha delta TL divided by 1 plus KL divided by AE. So we done, but here we didn't take sign conventions into force. See, if delta T is positive, then x is positive, okay, right? So this is the what we got as x. We need to find r. So r is kx, right? So that means k alpha delta T L by 1 plus k L divided by A. So r by A will be k alpha delta T L divided by A. So into A E plus k L into A E, right? So this A will get cancelled. Now we can take k alpha delta T L E divided by 1 plus AE divided by KL into AE. This this should be KL, right? So K gets cancelled, L gets cancelled. So that will give rise to alpha delta TE divided by 1 plus AE by KL. This is the reactive force R. It should be equals to C. If this is applying this much force, then okay, we are taking RC as like this, and we are applying means this will apply this as Kx, right? So this should be minus Kx. So RC will be equals to minus Kx. So this is what R by A is. Sigma, right? So with this we end today's lecture. In next lecture we are going to solve couple of problems on thermal stress. Until then, take care. Bye bye from 9 pointer.